Okay, yes, I know. You strutted your stuff.
There he goes.
You strutted your stuff.
Harmony already jumped out. She's
There's
chilling
Harmony.
in here.
Harmony's jumped out and found her bed. Up there
There
it goes
goes Rascal
again.
again.
Are you gonna go in there with Harmony? Where did they go? Where did they go?
Come on, buddy.
Where'd they go, Rocky? Did they leave you? Did they leave you? Poor guy. You guys should be ashamed of yourselves. You left your little brother in there. And there goes Mom. And what do you think you're going to do in there? What are you going to do in there for him?
Nothing.
Oh. Is this your time to shine? Say nope.
Gotta hop out.
You got to grow up. You got to jump out on your own.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
Come on.
Come here.
Come on. We got you.
Rocky, come on.
Come on, Rocky. Harmony's done it. Rascal's done it. And now it's Rocky's turn.
Well,
Oh, he's pitiful.
come here, buddy.
Oh, phone error. No,
Yeah,
he's
3
going to do it on his own.
seconds.
I dropped the phone. Oh, well.
I don't think he's gonna do it on his own. He's just gonna chill there.
Well, come on, Rocky. Let's go. Come on, Rocky. Come on.
Nope. He thinks about it. Bless you. See that little sneeze?
Yeah.
Step in the empty food bowl. All 4 feet, yeah.
Well, come on. There you go. Well, come on. Are you going to need a stair to do that? Uh-oh. So you got all the toys to yourself. They don't have any toys.
Where's their blankets at?
I don't know. One's under there, I think. Or one... I'll put it somewhere. You're sitting on it.
There you go.
There.
There's a little stair.
There it goes. Oh, let's see if we can help him. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, you can do it. Come on. Jump over the wall. Rocky. 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 Come on, Rocky.
Up.
Come on, you got it. Come on, Rocky, you got it. Ah. Let's try this again. Come on, let's help you. Let's help you. Rocky. Well, you're gonna have to help Rock. Come on.
Okay, we'll just dome over the edge.
Yay,
Yay, he did it all by
Rocky did
himself.
it. Woo!
All by yourself.
He
I'm
joined
so
the crew.
proud.
Whoa, got Garrett's head in there. Where's he at? Let's see Rocky. Let's see the puppy. Oh, he
Nope.
put him in there.
He goes in there, man.
Let's get Rocky. Rocky Richards. Yay, Rocky. Who did it? Woohoo! With a little help from Mom and Garrett.
And
you were successful.
He did it without a problem.
And Rebel is never... I don't think Rascal Rebel is never going to need help because he's so rascalous. Just like his daddy.
Just like the word that I know.
Yes, I made that word up, but I can't.
Okay, she's really attached on that. There we go.
There's Harmony Olivia. She is just like her brother Rascal, just a little step behind. So I was eating from Mom.
She's the one who hopped out first.
All right, guys.